Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. In order to do that, click on these three lines right here and then scroll on until you can see this option called pages. Click on pages right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see the pages that you have created or if you have any right here. So for example, for this, head over and click on this create option, and then once you have clicked on that, click on get started, and then from in there just choose a name for your page. For example, for this one, let's name this cute puppy. Click on next right here, and then you can also put some things more in here as well. Then you can put in here category for that. For example, let's put in here dog, and then click on create right here. And then once you have done that, it should be able to load you the next page that you have available. So you have now created your page, you can promote your product or services, or you can also create content. Click on continue right here. Then you can customize your page. You can add pictures and also some background photos. So you can head over and click on this camera right here and then select the picture that you want to use for this case. I'll head over and select this. And then once it's been uploaded, you can click on next right here in order to save this progress that you have made on the customization of your page. Click on here on the next again, and you can also inform by the page notification. Click on done right here, and as you can see, you will be able to switch to the page that you have just created. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Try best to answer. Thanks.